Hi, welcome to Delineation, home to some spectacular Lightroom tones and presets. Today we will show you how to get vintage look using Lightroom. Here are some stock photo previews. If you want to follow along with us, you can click the links down below in the description for downloading them. Before starting, here are some important points. Welcome to Lightroom. Let's begin editing. First, go to temperature, and decrease it to -6. And then, go to tint and move the slider to -11. Now, decrease the highlights all over to -100. Now, increase the shadows to all over +100. Now, go to whites, and decrease it to -62. Go to blacks and increase it to 41. Now go to the vibrance, and pop it up to 12. Then, after popping vibrance, decrease the saturation to -29. Let's jump to curves and try to replicate the points the way we have done it. Now switch to 𝗬𝗆𝗁. These are the sliders which focuses on the color and alters them completely. Now, select reds in hue and decrease it to -100. Increase the saturation of reds to +9. Now, decrease the orange hue to -64. Then go to saturation of orange and decrease it to -67. Now, switch to saturation of blue and move it to -13. Move the saturation of purple and magenta all over to -100. Now switch to split toning tab. Move the hues highlight to 360. Now, go to saturation of highlight to +20. Now, in shadows, move the hue to 60, and also its saturation to 5. For giving your photos a grainy look, go to Effects, and play with the grain amount as per your liking. And we're done with the editing process. Now let's copy these settings to other photos. We haven't ticked exposure and contrast settings while copying, as every image has its own brightness and contrast values. So, it is in your hand to play with them according to the image. Thanks for watching this video. You are free to subscribe and support this channel. Also don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like it and hit the bell icon to get notified about new tones.